Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how I make a natural organic skin lightening soap. Now these are all my ingredients and they're all natural, so I'll just mention a few of these ingredients. So here we have my soap, my base soap that I made from scratch. And if you don't know how to make soap from scratch, I have a video down. And this is onion oil, and onion oil is really fantastic on our skin. And this is coconut milk. Here we have turmeric. Here we have red palm oil, and here we have our papaya puree. Here we have our fresh orange juice, and here we have our cinnamon powder, and this here is the herbs I make from scratch. There's about like 5 herbs in here that I mix, and I'll name them all in the description. And I'll be needing some aloe vera gel. I'll be needing some lavender flora water and glycerin, and I will be needing my lavender essential oil. So I'm gonna start by combining all my ingredients in my bowl. So now that I've combined all my ingredients together, I'm just gonna mix everything together. So I've mixed my soap very well, and everything is well mixed up. I am going to be adding my lavender essential oil. This soap is 100% natural. The soap base that I made it with organic coconut oil only, and this soap will help with acne. If you have dark eye circles, if you have acne scars, if you want to lighten or brighten your skin naturally, because there is no any chemical whatsoever in this soap. And this soap can be used in the morning or in the evening, or it can be used twice a day, and you will see results in just 2 weeks. Your skin will be clear, your skin will be glowing, and will be smooth. I'll be transferring my soap now into my bowl. So guys, this is the soap. It's all finished. This soap will make your skin glow. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave us a thumbs up and a comment.